everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and what we're going to be doing today is looking at a hidden password and a secret. So what we're trying to achieve here is having a secret, a credential that's in the system that you may want to hide the password from regular users. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come into our example for hiding a password, and I'll show you what it looks like with the password. So I'm in here, hidden password example, and so you see how I see no password here. So if I was to look at one with a password, and we'll see that this one does have a password here. So we can see the difference there. So let's come back over here to the no password example, hidden password, so we can see that there is no password there. So, but again, you can take the credentials here and inject them into a session, and the user has really no need to even see the password. So that is how this works, and thank you for watching.